snapping turtle. We found her on the side of the road. We thought she was hurt. She wasn't hurt. She was most likely digging a nest. So we're gonna return her to the exact same spot so she can finish her job.
The car was started, we were on our way out, and they came out running after my dad, basically saying that there is a seagull with a hook that's, I think, down its throat. The day never seems to end, but I'm glad that we can save more animals. I love how nuts it is. I love how crazy this job is always. After, I would say, over an hour working with the deer's leg that was broken, my dad was able to align it fairly well and throw a cast on it. So I think we're gonna check back in on the deer in a few weeks. Hopefully the alignment's still okay and the leg heals up properly, and then I think it will be okay to be released. So yeah, I'm really glad that we got to see that today.
Holy jeez.
Can't even see the hook yet. That's just the leader.
We have a ring-billed gull. You wouldn't call it a seagull. We don't have any seas around here. Ring-billed gull with a fishing line hanging from its mouth. We were naively hoping it was a very tiny hook. Holy jeez. That looks like an anchor from the HMS Pinafore. Wow.
It's got to be in its digestive system. It has to be, right?
How is that going to get past the crop? Like, that thing's huge. How small is the sphincter of the crop?
It got down. That whole thing got down.
But where is the crop? Normally, isn't it? Is it up high?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, let's rock and roll. I don't know how the hell we're gonna get in there. It's way up underneath, and they don't have a diaphragm to protect their lungs like cats and dogs. If we don't do this, he's gonna be dead in half a day. So it expands the air sacs, and I want to make sure I don't nick them. In there, you'll see a headlamp.
Side pocket or main?
Main, I think.
Bruh.
I think it's underneath the air sacs. Like, it looks like a stomach
Bruh.
to me.
Ventriculus.
It's definitely muscular. Or a little bit longer.
Breath.
Like, okay, it's higher up than my finger. Fuck.
You're not going to be able to do anything with it, Cliff. Like, you can't get at it.
We're going to assume it's in the intestinal tract, the digestive tract. Take your finger out. I'm going to cut into this, and you're going to basically hold it open. Almost there. This. Okay. Do we try and pull this out? Knowing that the gizzard's pretty sort of flexible and tough, and the pointy parts are pointing this way?
Try.
Or do we try and find the pointy parts and cut them?
I guess it's not
Okay,
normal.
can we cut
Yeah.
this? Still alive? Holy fuck.
Do you want me to just cut it?
Yeah, just cut the wire. Yeah, there you go.
There's nothing else, bruh?
Yeah, hold it open so it doesn't spill grossness. Leakage.
My gosh. How long was that surgery, Dad? Hour and a half? No, maybe an hour.
Probably the longest day ever. We ended up having, after all the emergencies and surgeries and the deer where we had to wrestle the bones back together. But that worked out really, really well. The cast, I think, is going to do an excellent job. I've never done bird surgery like that before. I was asking everybody else for advice on anatomy. But the day is done. It's still light out. I think we saved a lot of lives, learned a lot, got to educate some people, and this girl's going to get to go home. So, thank you for being so patient. for watching, guys. Always be kind to animals.